In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change your website design. To begin with, log into the admin area of your WordPress website. Click on PremiumPress and select the Design tab. Now click the Change Design option. Here you'll see all of the pre-built designs that come included with your theme. You can switch between designs at any time. Simply find the design you want to use and click the Install button. If you want to use a different design, simply repeat the same process. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.